welcome to the PACSIM Experience Center in Las Vegas. Today we're going to demonstrate to you our PKR Delta Robotic Pick and Place Cell. We're really excited to show you this product. We've been delivering them nationwide as the alternative to hand case packing. We want to automate all bags or rigid product going into cases. That's the goal. We've designed a machine that's incredibly compact, easy to use, and we're going to go through some of these features today. Let's start with size. 60 by 60 inches makes our PKR amongst the most compact pick and place cells in the industry. Complete stainless steel construction, integrated bag infeed conveyor, and case infeed conveyor. We designed this machine to literally take it out of a crate, place it, and plug it in. It starts with our vision guided system that's going to take a photo of your package. From there, the Delta Robot with the end effector will pick the pouch using a Venturi vacuum system and place it into the case. Ease of use was one of our most important criteria. We want the everyday operator to be able to run this system, change recipes, set up new recipes, and easily pick and place any product. So it starts with the controls. We did not want to overcomplicate our system. We wanted to make it easy to use, easy to remember, easy to access. So bags can be loaded from the side, they can come in from the back. Our conveyors are customizable to your needs and can be integrated with any upstream or downstream piece of equipment that you may already have. So let me demonstrate how easy it is to case pack with our PKR. It's as simple as feeding bags. Here we're going to pick up 2 bags at a time, layer them into the case, and then the next pick is going to be in reverse. And that's it, you're case packing. So here's the finished product, a beautifully layered case of your pouches. With the PKR, we can greatly reduce manual labor, literally eliminate it, and then be able to upload any sort of pack pattern that you want. Double layer, triple layer, 4 across, 2 across. The PKR is completely customizable for all your needs.